This bounce house has the best color scheme, doesn't it? And it's also super fun for my girls. They are loving it. I love how simple it is to set it up. Here's how it works. So you just unfold it after you've packed it up. I let my girls even help with like spreading it out. And then it comes with this blower. So simple. You just attach it. And then you just tie a little knot around it. Takes like 2 seconds. And then you hit the on button. And the whole thing blows up in just a matter of seconds. You can watch it right now in real time. And up. And also a matter of seconds, how long it takes for your kids to jump in it. And then the coolest thing is it stays consistently blown up with air, so you don't have to think about it. Everything's good to go there. Your kids are going to have a blast, and more importantly, they're getting all their energy out, so they're going to sleep better. I also like that they have these little side pouches for the shoes, which is really cool. Overall, I think you're going to love this.
I think this thing's pretty amazing. Looks like my kids are having the best time ever. I'm going to get out so that they can jump.
And when you're all done, it packs up neatly into this bag. Till next time.